Welcome to Attaché Payroll Recent Key Features as part of the Attaché Summer School series. Today we'll talk about the system-wide features, payroll features from versions 1.03, 1.04 to 1.05, other payroll features, and where you can find further information and resources. Let's start with the system-wide features in version 1.03, beginning with user profiles. User profiles are basically templates for new users and can reflect organizational roles, for example, payroll officers, accounts receivable, or accounts payable. User profiles contain all your preferences and your options and can also be used with menu access. It's important to remember that user profiles are not users and they are unable to sign into companies. Let's take a look at setting up a user profile. We choose File, Maintain Users, Maintain. Enter a name for our user profile. We will call ours Payroll with a password level of 5. Anyone set up with this user profile will be able to add users, delete users, maintain user profiles, and maintain companies. Page down and select our user preferences, preferred menu style of tab style, and our task toolbar appearance, we will use toolbars. We would also like to use large icons on our toolbars. Now to save this as a user profile, tick the user profile checkbox. Once you've completed all your preferences and options, select Accept. If we then choose Find in our user maintenance screen, you will notice our user profile appears in red text. The user profile is now ready to be used to set up new users. Let's do this now. We enter a new username, say yes, we want to add a new user. We can then choose Copy User and select our user profile. As you can see, we have the same settings as our payroll user profile. Password level of 5, page down, and our preferences of the tab style using toolbars and large icons on toolbars. We can now accept and save our user. Also remember that user profiles can be used with your menu access rights. In Attaché, you can report on your user profiles. The report is found in Reports, Company, Details, User Details. If we select to include user profiles and choose Print, we can determine which users are actually user profiles. You can see our payroll user profile and our new user. Maintenance dates are now available on Master File, Option, and Setup screens. The date the record was created and updated and the user responsible is displayed at the bottom of the task screen. Maintenance dates also apply to most of your cash register options. Let's have a look at maintenance dates in an employee master file. We choose Master File, Payroll, Employee Details, Maintain. Select an employee. At the bottom of our task screen, we can see this record was created on the 23rd of June by a supervisor. It was last updated on the 19th of December by the user Kelly. Let's update this employee's master file by changing her surname. Accept the change reselect her employee master file. We can now see the date has updated to the 1st of March by our user sample. In version 1.04, 1.05,